Hello students, good morning. This is your English class and we are doing chapter 12 articles in English grammar. We have learnt that articles are of two types. The first type is called definite article. The second type of article is called indefinite articles. The is definite article and indefinite articles we have a and an. Okay. We have also learned that where we use the definite articles, the is used before the names of historical monuments, newspapers, plural names of the country, river, holy books, and before the unique things, before the common nouns that are definite, and we use a indefinite article before any consonant sound, and we use an before the word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, so on the basis of that, let's solve the exercises of this chapter. The first exercise is, in it we have to encircle the articles in the following passage. So there is a passage given, we have to find out the articles and encircle that. So let's start with the first line is, the captain said, "What a nice ball it is." Here the is definite article. A nice. The players were practicing to catch the ball. Again they were working very hard. An unknown person entered the field and observed how they were practicing. The players looked at him and asked who he was. He said, "I am a new player who want to be like the Indian players." They all welcomed him. They started to throw ball. So we have found out the articles used in the passages. So we have done with exercise A. Now let's move on to exercise B. We have to fill in the blanks using suitable articles. So according to the sense of the sentence we have to use suitable articles. Okay. The first sentence is, Sneha was dash naughty girl. We should use, because naughty there is a consonant word sound, so we should use a here. Sneha was a naughty girl. Second one, open dash window. Open the window, because whenever you say this word to anyone, to open the window, open the door, which means here you are pointing out towards any particular window which you want to be opened. Okay, आप एक पर्टिकुलर विंडो की तरफ देख के ही बोलते हो किसी से भी कि ओपन द विंडो, विच मीन्स आपको ये कहना है कि वो विंडो खोल दो. तो इस सेंस में, क्योंकि वो पर्टिकुलरली आप एक विंडो के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, जिस विंडो के बारे में बात कर रहे हो वो डेफिनेट हुआ, इसलिए यहाँ पे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दी का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स गो फर्दर. थर्ड वन इज, आई वुड लाइक टू हैव अ कप ऑफ टी. So right here a cup of tea, because we have a consonant sound here, cup, k. Okay, there are many stars in sky is a natural body, so we should use the sky. Okay, fifth, Taylor and dash elephant were good friends. Okay, so write a tailor and an elephant were good friends. She waited for me for more than an hour. Okay, we should use an before hour, because here h is silent and we pronounce the word with a sound, hour. Okay, so is a vowel sound, that is why we should use an here. Next up, 7th is there is clock on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. A. My father gives me an angry look. Angry, a vowel sound. Okay. He reads in a university because, as I told you yesterday, it is starting university. Ya. Ya is a consonant word sound, not a vowel sound. So that's why we should use a here, not an. Okay. He reads a university. He reads in a university. 10th one, bring an umbrella, because here U sounds as a vowel sound. Umbrella, it is starting with a sound, which is a vowel sound. So we should use an before it. Let's go further. In exercise C, we have to fill in the blanks using suitable indefinite articles. Means we have to use only a and an. She lives in a red house. What a nice dress. She will come back in an hour. Okay. We should eat an apple. Dash, honest man. An honest, again because H is silent here and we pronounce honest. A is a vowel sound, that's why we should write an before honest. I saw a cat under a bed. There is an egg. Okay. We bought a new dictionary. That is a toy cars. Bring a knife to cut the cake. Okay, so with this we have done with exercise A, B and C. Now I am leaving the rest. Exercise D is for you to solve it by your own. Okay, this is your homework. So I'll see you next class. Thank you.